How to add page numbers in Google Docs. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Then make sure to sign into your Google account. Now click on this icon and scroll down. Select Docs from here. Or you can also open up any web browser and search for docs.google.com. Once you're here, sign into your account. Now you can open up any of your existing Google Docs, or you can also start a blank document. Once you click on this, you can start typing and create your document over here. Now at the top you have different tools. You want to select the insert option in order to add page numbers. From this list, scroll down and find the option of page numbers. Now you can select whichever you want, or you can also click on more options for some other details as well. Once you click on it, you can decide the position if you want the page number to appear at the top or bottom. Select header for top and footer for the bottom. Then if you want to start it on the first page, then select the option of show on first page. Then you can select the numbering. If you wanted to start at 1, select that. Now click on the apply option, and as you can see, the page numbers have been added. You can now click on the options and then click on remove footer if you want to remove the page number. Then you can insert the page number again as you wish. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.